What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of MissFlips. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I built my staging wall. So as you can see here, I didn't really care what happened to it in the past because I always knew that I was eventually going to do something with this wall. And so I sprayed on it, I, made little dents here and there. I left things unpatched and all that good stuff, but I finally decided to do it because I thought of using this SLAT board off of Facebook Marketplace, and I think I got it for like $120 for all of the boards, and I know that's pretty expensive. I know that you can get like faux wood walls from Home Depot for I think like $30 for one piece of wood. But I liked the functionality of the SLAT board, and it's kind of like pegboard, so you can put little hangers on it and hang your tools. You can put, all sorts of things. It works exactly like pegboard, except it's in slats. So for me, this was really cool because it's super customizable, and you can adjust. Say if you're hanging a mirror, you can hang your mirror and adjust where you want it to be specifically. So it's really cool. But the first step that we're going to do is we're going to cut it down to size because it is a little large. So I needed it to fit between the windows, and I needed to account for the trim at the bottom of the window. So I'm just going to cut it down to size so that it fits in between the two trims at the bottom. Before hanging it, the next step that I wanted to do was find the studs, and I noticed later that you can actually perfectly see the studs on this wall. If you look at the top right above my head, you can see exactly where the studs are, and I didn't notice that until my friend came over to help us put it up, and he was like, "Oh, you can actually see them." And I was like, "You're right. You can." I did all that for nothing. But anyways, once we got the studs marked, as I said, my friend was over, so we were able to use his help to hang them, because it definitely takes 3 people to do this. But yeah, we just screwed it into the studs, and the reason why you want to screw it into studs is because if you just screwed it into the drywall, the stud board is so heavy, or the slat board is so heavy, that you would end up, ripping the screws out of your drywall if it wasn't actually drilled into the stud itself. So definitely want to do that as you do with anything that you're hanging. Once everything was hung, the next day I taped up all the windows and made sure that everything was covered that I didn't want to be painted. I like using newspaper for this because I get a lot of it in the mail anyways, and I never use them, so I just figured it's a good use and a great way to reduce, reuse, and recycle. I sprayed it over with a no sand primer and then ended up going over it again with a white paint, and I just wanted to keep it simple so that way it would be a nice neutral tone no matter what type of furniture I put in front of it. As I said in the beginning, it's super easy with slat wall because you can just get these little hooks and just hang whatever decor you want on your wall, like mirrors, pictures, paintings, all that sort of stuff. And it's just really convenient because you can adjust it as much as you want and get it perfect without putting holes all over your walls. And in the downtime, it's a great place to put your tools or whatever else you want to hang up there. So yeah, could not recommend it enough. If you guys found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe and do all those things so that we can be a happy flippin' family. And as usual, Stay flippin'.